Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to our next video. This video we're going to be talking about Exitus Elit, why you may want to join, what it's all about, how to get set up, everything. So in Exitus Elit, we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions to the payment processor that you want to choose. You get to choose how you get paid. I have PayPal, Cash App, and Zelle that I get paid by. And Exitus Elit has been around for over 8 years now. This coming summer, it's going to turn 9 years old, which means next year it's going to be 10 years old. So this business has proven itself. I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business because Exitus Elit has a great owner in Paul Stevenson. He has a vision for the future of this company. He's still upgrading all the training and all of the tools and things that he provides to help this opportunity. We have great lead capture pages and sales pages that are built into the business as well. We have so much in Exitus Elit, and all the products that we sell in Exitus Elit are all training courses. They're going to teach you how to promote on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on all kinds of different platforms and social media, and also learning how to attract people to your business, how to connect with people, how to get leads and sales, how to do paid advertising, email marketing. The list goes on and on of all the different things that Exitus Elit has to offer. I'm just going to show you right here. This is the G100 level, and this is just at our lowest product level. We have 5 product levels, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And just look at, that's just at the G100. You got the G250, more training here, G500, and then we got right here, I'm not going to go through all of it here because there's a lot in the G1000. That's the product level I came in right here, G1000. And you got the on-demand series, Legends training, you got the Village, you got other training right here. So not only do you get all this training here, you're also going to get some team bonus training, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit. So we're going to come back here. So this page right here you're going to get when you become a member of my team. This is the mega swipe file page. We have some marketing material that you can use to show people what's possible in this business. These are real commissions made from a 6-figure earner, and it goes all the way down here. You can use these in your marketing. And to this day, Exitus Elit is still paying out these kind of commissions. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. I had to plug in my computer because it's about to die. So what I was talking about, you're going to get an exact copy of this page right here. You can show people what's possible with Exitus Elit in this business. And one of the reasons why I decided to go with Exitus Elit was because I wanted to make as much profit as I possibly can in my business. That's why I came in at the G1000, because I can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions to PayPal, to Cash App, to Zelle, to Stripe, whatever it is that you choose. And that's why I joined Exitus Elit, is I wanted an opportunity where the people I bring in will get all kinds of training, and on top of that, they'll get some team bonus training as well. So we're providing you with all the resources that you'll ever possibly need to find success. In the end, it all comes down to you. And if you're willing to put in the work to get out there, to get seen, to get heard, to just let go. That's all I do. I just let go. I tell people what I believe about my business, and I make myself accessible. You've probably seen my phone number flash up on the screen throughout this video so far. And that's why I chose this business. And I also wanted a platform where you didn't have to bring in hundreds and hundreds of people in order to start making really good to life-changing income. So that's why I chose Exitus Elite. These may be some of the bullet points about this business that may interest you. You can call me. You can text me, and you can send me a voicemail. You can do all three. So if I don't get to you right away, I will have all these different means of getting back to you. Because I make myself as accessible as possible. But if I'm busy doing something else, I will get back to you. And so that's what I love about Exitus Elit is this. So these are the 5 products. You got the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. I came in here at the G1000. I recommend you come in at the G1000 or 2000 because there's a 90% ratio of people coming into Exitus Elit that come in at the G1000 than any product level. Because the reason why that is because it makes sense. Because when you come in here at the G1000, you unlock all 3 of these at no extra cost. So that means you get all the training that's in all these products, plus you get all the commissions that you can make off of them. And the other cool thing about Exitus Elit is if you want to upgrade to the next product level, so I'll use my example. If I wanted to upgrade to the G2000, I only pay the difference for what I already purchased here. So what would happen is I pay $2.99 for the membership fee. Now the membership fee goes to Exitus Elit. That's how they make their money. And then, so I take $2.99 off of the membership fee for the G2000, and then I would get rid of $1,000 from the payment paid to your sponsor. Because in Exitus Elit, the way you get paid is when you bring somebody in, they're going to pay the membership fee that goes to Exitus Elit, and then they're going to pay you they're going to pay you your commission. So that's how you get paid in Exitus Elit. So you pay for the membership fee, and then you pay for the product by paying your sponsor their commission. It's that simple. I've been in opportunities where you had to wait until the end of the month in order to get paid. In Exitus Elit, you get paid the day you make the product purchase. So that's how. So like I said, I paid $2.99 and $1,000. So I take $2.99 off the membership fee, and then I take $1,000 off of the payment to my sponsor. And what will happen is, instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only going to pay $1,100 because I'm just paying the difference for what I already purchased in the last product. And that goes for all the other products as well. So I recommend you come in at least at the G1000 or 2000. If you can't do that, come in as high as you can possibly afford. I'm not saying you have to do that, but that is one of the reasons why I did that is because I wanted to open up the many possibilities to make as much as I can in this business. Now, you do have to put in the work. No, there's no such thing as a get rich quick opportunity. They don't exist. If you're willing to get out there, to get seen, to get heard, and to make yourself accessible, especially at a $1,000 business, people want to see the person they're going to be working with. And that goes even more the higher the business, how much it costs to get into the business. So, like I said, if you can come in at one of these other levels, come in as high as you can possibly afford. Remember, the higher products unlock all the lower products at no extra cost, and then that's how it works. So the other thing is we do have residual sides to this opportunity. You get paid pass-up commissions, and I'm going to tell you how that works. So in Exitus Elit, you pass up your first commission sale at your highest level. And when that happens, you get qualified. See, I'm G1000 and qualified. So when I made my first sale, that commission went up to my sponsor. So you only have to do that once, though. In other opportunities I've been in, every time you went to the next level, you still had to pay, you still had to pass up that one commission on each level. So like, let's say you started at the G250 and then you went up here to the G500. At each one, you would have to pass up your first commission. Not in Exitus Elit. You only pass up one commission the entire time. No matter where you upgrade, you only pass up your first commission. So that's how that works. Now, there's other ways you can make money through Exitus Elit as well. Let's say, I'm just using this as an example. Let's say you came in at the G100, but you made a G1000 sale. Now, what's going to happen is you're still going to get the $100 that's due to you, but the remaining $900 that's left over is going to get passed up to me because I'm already qualified up here at the G1000. So that's another way you get paid in Exitus Elit. Now, how do you pay for a product? I kind of already told you this, but I'm just going to go over it one more time, and I'm going to go into more detail. So the membership fee is a one-time fee that you pay to Exitus Elit at each product level that you come in at. And then once you pay that, it's a one-time membership fee. So that money is going to go to Exitus Elit, and then it says important. To participate in the Exitus Elit compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So that $1,000 you would pay to me since I'm your sponsor and I'm the one that you're coming in with. So that's how that works. Now, I'm just going to show you a little bit more of what to expect. Now, in your back office, you're going to see something that looks like this when you first join. There will probably also be a video that pops up that's also going to help you to get started as well. There's also a getting started section and all that right there. So you're going to come to a page like this. Now, let's just say, for the sake of argument, you want to pay me through PayPal. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this PayPal button, and this this window is going to pop up. And there's going to be instructions from your sponsor on how to pay. So you see right here, it's highlighted in blue. That is the link to the payment processor that you just clicked on. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to pay the commission to my PayPal. And then what's going to happen is you're going to come back to your back office, and you're going to click right here where it says click to confirm your PayPal payment was sent. So you're going to click this button right here, and then this little dialog box will pop up, and you're going to hit yes. Now, the reason why it's important that you do that is because I'm going to get notified that I have a commission waiting for me. And what I'm going to do is, once I get confirmation that I got paid my payment, I'm going to activate your back office. So when you first join, you have a partial back office where you can set up your profile and all that stuff. But then I'm going to turn the on switch to your back office. So everything that you paid for, all the training, for all the products that you purchase, are all going to be activated once I hit that button. So that's what you want to do. So that's how you pay for a product. When you join my team, you're going to get this Mega Swipe file page right here. Like I showed you, you can use these in your marketing to show people what's possible with this business. And then if you scroll all the way up to the top of this page, we give you all these links here that you can use to create ads for your Exitus Elit business. And some of these will allow you to even put videos in there. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to put your video in the ad, you can do that as well. And not only do we give you the headlines, but we also give you the ad bodies to put in your ads. And then we also have some Craigslist scripts. So if you have a Craigslist, if you want to promote on Craigslist, you can do that. We also got Facebook scripts. And then we also have some notes on how to promote on Facebook. So that's some training right there. And then, like I said, you're also going to get all these payment proofs here as well. So, and the other thing you're going to get at no matter what level you come in at, you're also going to get all this training right here. These are all short videos that are going to teach you how to promote Exitus Elit. This is coming from a six-figure earner who has had over 6 years, almost 7 years experience in Exitus Elit, and he averages between the G1000 and 2000 in his business. These are all ways that if you follow them, you can also start getting the same success. Now, I was going to do something similar for my team, but I teamed up with a friend of mine who already had all this done, so we're working together to give these out to our teams. And you can give this out to your team as you build your own business. So you can give this training out to them as well. And this is at any product level. You're going to get this training. And then you got all this other training here, including more videos down here that you're going to get when you join our team. Now, if you come in at the G500 and above, you're also going to get a team sales page too. That we're also going to give you for joining at that level or higher. And then if you come in at the G1000 and 2000, you can also become a member of our Facebook private chat on Facebook. So one thing, no matter what level you come in at, definitely send me a friend request on Facebook so we can so that can be another way for you to get started. So yeah, so that is pretty much all I'm going to say in this video. All I can say is I love Exitus Elit, and this business is a life-changing business because just to be able to make $1,000 and $2,000 instant commissions, and even a $500 commission or a $250 commission, it's life-changing. And you're going to get all the tools and all the resources that you'll ever need to find success, whether it's through the products, all the training that's in the Exitus Elit products, and the team bonus training that you're going to get when you join the team. So, would I recommend Exitus Elit to everyone? Yes. If you're willing to take action and just get out there and show people what this business is all about and what it means to you. So I think that's all I'm going to say in this video. I don't think I have anything else to say. So if you want to join Exitus Elit, all the links are in the description below. We also have also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Comment below if you have any questions. And also, hit the notification bell so that way you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.